Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central County in northwestern Arkansas, northern Madison County in northwestern Arkansas, Carroll County in northwestern Arkansas, northeastern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas until noon Central Daylight Time. At 10:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Alba State Park to 4 miles north of Marble, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations in or near the path include Berryville, Huntsville, Eureka Springs, Green Forest, Hinesville, Carrollton, Rudd, Kingston, Forum, Hobbs State Park, Clifty, Withrow Springs State Park, War Eagle, Marble, Osage, Rule, Dry Fork, Beaver Lake, Calvin, Connor. These are dangerous storms. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows.
Oh my God. My poor Buick. Holy crap. They weren't kidding when they issued that SVR. Oh my word.
We could like pick those up and put it in our drinks. Oh, look at that one. That one's big. On the sidewalk.
Oh my word.
You know those little pebbles you get to put in a fish
Yeah,
bowl?
that's what
it looks
it's
like.
ping pong ball size.
Look at him jump.
Anna, go to my room and grab me a tripod. Oh, there goes the trash bin. I caught that on camera. I caught that fail on camera. Poor guy. Mama, he went to try to grab the trash bin and it fell over. The trash truck, the grass bin fell over. It's ping pong ball size.
Oh, it opened up.
I know.
Oh no.
Here, make sure that that leg is down.
What leg?
This one, it popped loose. You see the tab that's flipped open? Pull it all the way out. Anna,
What
look.
tab? Oh.
Make sure that that leg is all, no, make sure that leg is all the way out. And then close it. Wow.
Dude.
He's just waiting it out at this point.
Well, have fun. Hope you got your
Yep.
phone. They're like hitting your bedroom wall. I mean, your bedroom window. Like, they're not just hitting the wall, they're hitting your window like several times.
I know. That is crazy. We haven't had a bad hailstorm in a while.
Do you hear your wall, Bubba?
Yeah, I
That's
do.
the most, like, it is flooding the street. It's flooding. Look at that.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the pedals are gonna be so good.
This is just nuts.
Joe, they keep hitting your window.
I know.
You know, one wrong hit could ruin your computer.
Hopefully not. Oh, there's a piece right at the door. Let's see. Can I turn the light on? Yeah, it's about nickel size. It's a good sized chunk between ping pong and nickel size. Mama, I got a piece.
Thing is, you can like tell that there are
they were saying we were supposed to get multiple rounds of this garbage. Careful not to bump my phone. I think it's just rain at this point, and whatever's falling off the house is what we're seeing now. Wow, though.
No. It's still hitting the car.
Oh, I didn't put the date on it.
It has the date on it. You don't have to say the date.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, northern Madison County in northwestern Arkansas, Carroll County in northwestern Arkansas, northeastern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:57 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles west of Gravett to 3 miles southwest of Bentonville to 7 miles west of Hinesville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations in or near the path include Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, Berryville, Huntsville, Eureka Springs, Bella Vista, Lowell, Pea Ridge, Green Forest, Elkins, Bethel Heights, Gravett, Cave Springs, Decatur, Highville, Gateway, Beaver, Hinesville. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 71 and 93. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Ottawa County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Afton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations in or near the path include Grove, Fairland, Afton, Bernice, Wyandotte, Narcissa, Bernice State Park, Twin Bridges State Park. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 290 and 305. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, northern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Siloam Springs to 5 miles east of Barron, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations in or near the path include Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, Siloam Springs, Bella Vista, Lowell, Farmington, Pea Ridge, Prairie Grove, Gentry, Elkins, Toddatown, Bethel Heights, Lincoln, Cave Springs, Westville, Greenland, West Siloam Springs, Highville. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 56 and 93. The service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Jay, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations in or near the path include J, Bella Vista, Grove, Gravit, Decatur, Colgard, Kansas, Oaks, Maysville, Hiawassee, Cloeta, Twin Oaks, Miller, Lake Cochise State Park, Xena, Cherokee City. National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, south central Ottawa County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Mayes County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles east of Big Cabin, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations in or near the path include Veneta, J, Grove, Afton, Langley, Bernice, Ketchum, Disney, Big Cabin, Pensacola, Honey Creek State Park, Cherokee State Park, Bernice State Park, Clearup, Disney Little Blue State Park, Xena. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 275 and 286. Storm warning for southern Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, northern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Tontitown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Fayetteville, Springdale, Farmington, Elkins, Tontitown, Bethel Heights, Cincinnati, Johnson, Elm Springs, Goshen, Tuttle, Mayfield, Savoy, Weddington, Gallatin, Wheeler, Sonora. This includes Interstate 49 between mile marker 60 and 75. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Arkansas and northeastern Oklahoma. In east central Oklahoma
SVR.
until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northwest of Colbert, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Tahlequah, Homer, Eldon, Proctor, Scraper, Pikes, Lost City. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern and east central Oklahoma. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, southwestern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, east central Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Westfield to 3 miles west of Cherokee Landing State Park, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Fayetteville, Stillwell, Farmington, Prairie Grove, West Fork, Lincoln, Westfield, Greenland, Adair State Park, Christie, Cincinnati, Marietta, Blackburn, Barron, Eldon, Proctor, Devil's Den State Park, Strickler, Drakefield Airport, Walnut Grove. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 47 and 61. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Arkansas and northeastern and east central Oklahoma.
Look out that way.
Now I am.
Come on over here, Smart. Come on over here, Smart. Come on. All right, there you go. Going to work. Got her all marked. Best on. Watch. Listen.
Lightning. Wow.
Daniel's friend said this is the group chat. Somebody slid. A girl slid into his DMs. She was like, "Hi," and he's like, "Hello. How are you?" I'm like, "Do you own a G?" No. Okay, bye. Because when you slide into somebody's DM, it's like, I don't know, like,
Sliding to somebody's email. What?
direct message on social media.
Yeah, I know. Joseph got the same thing.
You got one for the phone?
Come here. Come here. Come here. You guys see out
It's a
here
light show.
and over here.
Oh, and I got Anna dancing a little dance to make the storms go away, and it was hysterical. She said that she did a brain clap. Yeah.
What are you looking at?
Swatch.
What are we looking at?
It's up in Missouri.
Man, we got two of them coming in.
No, they're going away from us. There's that one down there.
And it's going which way?
Springdale, that way.
It's going like
And that was
that.
out.
And that one's going which way?
It's one coming this direction only. See it over
Here,
there?
come here and turn and face this way. And you can get
It's all around us.
like the
It's around. Wow, look at that. That's the sunset there.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty.
This says we have another front coming.
It's developing. There's nothing on the radar yet, but it's developing for sure. The instability right now is just extreme.
Maybe we better get away from this. Aunt Rosalie, read it. The ground is wet and you're barefooted. That is the worst thing. Put your tennis shoes on.
They're twinning.
What?
They're twinning.
Okay, Joseph, get inside and get some tennis shoes on. You want to get shot?
Here. You keep it going. I'll be right back.
You know better than that. Let me know what I tell you about that story. Everybody getting
This is aerial.
You need to step over a little bit or up a little bit.
Got that
The
good one.
tree's in the way.
Which tree?
If you were
But now I'm in the street. I'm gonna get run over by a car.
nobody's coming.
I'm gonna die. Either by a car or lightning. Koodles.
Thank you, Joseph.
Perfect timing, Bubba.
Ooh, some good thunder there.
What's wrong?
I almost lost my flip flop. And I have socks on.
Little by little, my voice is coming back.
Come on, focus. Okay, hold on, guys.
Who's on your Twitter account?
Here we go.
Apparently it's Instagram Live and nobody's on it.
Hey, Hey Joseph, come out this way. You can get more.
Of an angle.
I wonder how many followers he has.
Yeah. Well, we're actually surrounded. There's storms
Oh, Sammy's actually.
on both sides of us.
Brought the chippy dog out. I mean, Sparky dog out.
That hailstorm this morning was absolutely nuts, though.
That was a good one. Chippy's in there barking.
So I ordered us a mask. I ordered 7 masks.
Okay.
$5 a piece.
Okay.
So we can write on a check.
From who? Snyder.
Seriously.
Okay, that's fine.
I ordered you a cream color, solid colors. I started to order one of the prints that she had.
Okie dokie. Sounds good.
Who's on?
No one. Not right now, at least. Daniel Sharon did log in for a minute, though, to see what was going on.
Cool beans.
There you go.
Alright.
Made my ears, my eyes burn. That's sad.
It's still super humid.
Yeah.
As long as this humidity pocket is in the area, it's
It doesn't
fuel
feel
for
that
storms.
humid to me. I mean, it's wet, but it's...
Mama, it's that steamy feel, the stickiness.
I guess because I just came out of feeling good in the air conditioning.
Yeah, I've been out here for a few minutes.
I've not been out here enough. Usually I can... Usually it's unbearable.
And I'm wearing a sweatshirt and warm-up pants.
You're crazy, Sarah.
Fly back.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeast Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, northwestern Carroll County in northwestern Arkansas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Washburn, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Berryville, Eureka Springs, Gateway, Beaver, Urbanette, Grandview, Pleasant Ridge, Oak Hill, Bush. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Arkansas. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Mayes County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Rose, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. 2 hail was reported 4 miles north of Locust Grove. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in or near the path include Locust Grove, Salina, Kansas,